Chapter. Welcome to myABCdad.
My name is Craig, and this here is
Elliot.
And what are we doing today, Elliot?
Drawing big letter E's and coloring them.
Shall we show everybody what they can expect?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Wow, look at that. Super cool and so colorful. So we hope you join us for that, and
Let's get started.
let's get started! So for the uppercase E, we're going to start right about here and then draw a straight line. Lovely. And then now we're going to draw a line up top there. Another line from left to right, about halfway down, and then at the bottom another line about the same size as the top there. Okay, and now for so that's the uppercase E, and for the lowercase e, I draw a line just over like that. Okay, so I'm going to do a lowercase c just around to connect those two lines. There we go, and then that makes the lowercase e. Okay, so that is printing the upper and lowercase e. For drawing big giant versions, we start right about here, and then I'm going to make a dot right about down here. And then a line connecting those, and the line can be straight, it can be wavy, whatever you feel comfortable with. And then I'm going to put a dot closer to the middle of the page at the top here, and then we'll connect with that dot. And then another dot, and then connect those two. Now we're going to do a dot that's closer to the angle, and then a line going across. And then a dot right about there, and continue your line. So now we'll go put a dot out about there. You've got your dot there, and then we're going to connect those two. And a dot right there, and draw your line, continue it. Nice arc, and a dot there, and then from the line connect that. There we go. Now a dot closer to the bottom, not all the way, and then connecting those two. And then from the line, drawing a line out to the dot. And then a dot right at the bottom. There we go. And then connecting both of those lines together to finish the uppercase E. So now we need to do the lowercase e. In the lowercase e, we're going to draw a line about between here and here first. About here to here. And then we're going to take that line, we're going to draw all the way around. We're going to put a dot right about there. And this will give us the thickness of our E, lowercase e. And then this from here, following the outside line. And then up top, a dot here to about here. And then a straight line. And then connect those two with an arcing line that follows the outside line. Okay, lovely. So there are our giant upper and lowercase e's. What shall we do with them, Elliot?
Color them.
Okay, here we go. I really love the colors you've used for E. That is magical. High five, Elliot. Yeah! Okay, we hope you enjoyed that. Did you enjoy drawing big letter E's today, Elliot? You did. It was so much fun. Make sure you check out our playlist, and also please make sure to subscribe to our channel. So we hope you enjoyed that, and
See you soon.
see you soon. Bye.
Bye.